Hello, welcome back to CampusTech. I have iPhone XR in my hand, and this phone is 6.5 years old, and if you know, it's released in September 2018. So in today's video we will walk through and see, and after 6.5 years, how it works. So in 2025, look at this phone condition. It is still very good, and they made this is a power button on the one side, right hand side, and the same on the bottom, and the edges is still fine. And look at this, the volume up and down, and this is a vibrator or silent button, you can see. So that's used to be come like this. So if you talk about the charging port, this is the biggest speaker in the charging port, which is and the sides are the round. So that is, and it's come with the one camera. Look at this, it's come with the one camera and with the flashlight. So let's dig into the software and see what the feature is still working. So when you go into the settings, so just go into the journal and about, you'll see it is right now iOS version 18.1, but it can support the latest version, which is 18.3 just for the developer, but 18.2 is for the all users. So but it still is, it can run 18.2. Let's check the battery. So the battery after 6.5, oh, this is 86, which is really very good percentage still after that much time. With the photo you can zoom, see that much you can zoom it, which is also on that time it was very good camera. And they gave you the video, and the video you can just on certain level you can zoom it. Look at this. So that is the camera thing, and the front and back camera is only one camera. Screen size is 6.1. So they made the glass, which is they started with iPhone 8. So after that they made it in iPhone 10 series. It is supporting iOS 18, which means it can support all new application, but you cannot use the Apple Intelligence on it. Of course, the action button and all this stuff is not in this body. But honestly, and that because right now it's very cheap to buy, and that price range, and you will get everything. And I think that's the last model which is supporting iOS 18. In my opinion, iPhone XR is still worth to buy. You can just go into the App Store, you can download everything, and those come in 64, 128 and 256 gigabytes. So if you like this video, and if you want to make some review for any phone, let me know in the comments, share with your friends, and thumbs up. See you in the next video.